If you want to make money in the markets, two things: pick better assets and do not use a take profit. Stop using a take profit. I always hear, have a take profit, make sure to take profits, make sure to take your profits. Bad advice. The most wealthy traders who made the most money never took profits, and that's how they're able to make so much. So let me explain. First of all, if you choose terrible assets, Euro USD to trade, you need to take profits and you need a stop loss because it's just going up and down. You're not going to make any money. You're going to get liquidated eventually. Same thing goes if you're buying terrible beaten down stocks or you're buying meme coins, random shit coins, altcoins that aren't going anywhere. But if you buy in good assets, you don't ever have to take profit. This is like investing, but you can use trading concepts, conditional close, stop loss, leverage. Check it out to illustrate. You could have bought Bitcoin, say you bought Bitcoin at $1,000, let's say 10,000, make it more recent. It's already established, right? You're buying it at 10,000. You have your stop loss at 9,000, a 10% stop. Say you put your TP 2-to-1 risk reward. You're buying Bitcoin at 9,000. You're selling it at 8. Sorry, you're buying at 10. You're selling it at 9, or you're selling it at 12,000, right? So if it goes down 10%, you sell. It goes up 20%, you sell. This is how people trade. 2-to-1 risk reward. Well, what if instead your stop loss is at 9,000 and you have no take profit? You're up 10 times notional and 100 times risk reward. You're up 100 times risk reward. You don't know how long these trends are going to go. And you might say, well, not everybody knew to buy Bitcoin at 10,000. Well, the same thing works on gold and it works in the stock market, and you can use leverage and it works. But there's new things. I mean, part of trading is figuring out what's the new thing, what's the new asset class or the new sector, the new trend, what's the new stock, what's the new coin that actually could do something. So you got to combine asset selection with take profit, no take profit, and also having a good trading system. For instance, just buying breakouts. So you're not buying beaten down stuff. You're not dip buying and like, I'm going to hold this forever. But you combine these things and you have a really simple trading system that you can literally get 100 or 1,000x risk reward. And I've done this before. I bought Bitcoin at 9,000 and I sold it at like 54. Should have held it longer, right? I took profit. It was a mistake. So comment MTP down below if you want to see a system that does these things.